the end of the show. There goes the Japanese. Way out there by the mountain. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There they are. There they are. All 8 of them. Can you see them? It's in the clouds. All 8 of them. There they are.
Lock that door and behave.
And these guys flew in that movie Pearl Harbor too. Not the real pilots, but the movie.
Cool. These are the actual pilots from the movie.
From the movie. The actual pilots from Pearl Harbor are very, very old there.
Dead. Or they.
Okay.
Died in the Navy.
Coming into land though.
Zach said that Pearl Harbor was a suicide mission. I don't think so. The kids originally produced it and got the point that it was yeah, but that's not real. But if it was real, I think most of these could be already gone.
Yeah, there we go. Good. Yes, those are real pilots from the movie.
Because we ain't got no paper. Stupid. You always sign your arm. Yeah, I watched that. It's the pilots' wives and stuff, probably.
Tora. Wave. Put your hands together. Start clapping. Wave them all. Hi, Allie.
Say hi to the guys in the plane. They're amazing.
Allie, say hi. Say hi, airplane. Okay. They all come together. It's like a tactful start, tactful finish. That was pretty cool.
Are you playing? I got them cute little panties. Look better in panties than nothing, don't I? And there's Juju all stretched out with an ouchie leg. And there's Robert home from school. From seeing, what's your girlfriend's name, Robert? What's that on your hand? Did you hurt your hand? Oh, by the way, Quasi was here looking for you, and then some girl called too. Yeah. I don't know who she was. I told her, she wanted to know where you were, so I told her that you were still in your program, because you were. You hadn't came home from school yet.
Get out the door, Racy.
This kitty. Every time I get ouch. At least it's not on your nose this time. Julie, what did I say about that? Because, young lady, you were whopping him in the face with something that day it happened, weren't you? Okay. You need to watch it. Honey, are you downstairs?
What?
Are you downstairs?
Yeah.
Can I come record you?
What?
Can I record you?
Lay down.
Never mind then. You're boring. It's gonna rain, I think. Copter, Allie.
Yeah, I'll jump in for that.
Allie? Helicopter.
Oh, it is cold. It is warm.
I was worried about one thing,
We have to get one of these in Texas.
I'll take those two up on the deck talk. Hi, Allie. Watch out for the baby, Ricky. Is your butt code?
You're going down with me.
Ricky, watch your sister.
Huh? What?
I said, Ricky, watch your sister.
What's your sister? What's your sister?
Are you two antisocial over there?
Right here.
You two can go get your bathing suits if you want.
Yeah, go get your baby.
Marilena? Are you just antisocial? What about you? Are you antisocial? Well, sticking together might get yourself some busted butts before the day's out with. You're supposed to be social. And no more lying. Got it? I came that close to smacking you in the choppers for lying to me. Watch out, baby's behind you. Here, Allie. They're just all over you, aren't they, honey? Ricky? Ricky, understand English? Allie. Hi. What's Daddy afraid of the water, Allie? Ricky, stop before you knock her up. Rush work. Hey, you know, the little one's just to get in there. Now stop. Helicopter, Allie. Helicopter. Can you say helicopter? Everything's an airplane these days. Thanks, Ricky. We all wanted wet.
Tony, put the hose over in the corner. Now that you got 5 pounds more dirt in there, leave it where it is. Second, if you don't stop now.
Put your mask on. For Allie. Hi. I see you. What you doing up there? Hi. You like video cameras, don't you? I got a smile.
Can you hold her, Cody?
Yes, the baby's gonna swim with Allie.
Okay, by that facial expression, it's yeah, you've been sitting in it for long.
Well, sitting in it for a long time.
I will rotate the hose so it goes everywhere.
You just said I'll leave the hose alone, like I told you to. Alyssa!
Ricky, no more splashing around at the pool, okay?
Hi, Alyssa.
Allie doesn't care.
afraid they'll just knock out all the water?
No, don't splash Daddy.
Allie, splash Daddy. Splash Daddy, Allie.
You can sit like right here on the other side.
Honey, it's only cold for a few seconds.
Yeah, so you can sit like right there. And like
Honey, it ain't gonna fall off, you know.
Yes, it is. I don't want the little soldier standing at attention right now.
As much as you go over to that swimming pool and I'm freezing to death, it can't be that bad.
It's the gym. That is a
Cold.
cold pool, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Those lips transform.
It'd be a little different.
It is cold, and it's cold in that building too.
It'll count. It's starting to break.
let's start the turn.
No, we gotta move so it gets out to the
Yeah, no, for real, y'all are crowded in the room.
I'm gonna stand up and make it go.
Get that top. There you go. Get that top water.
Yes, there is. Now it is cold over here, so it's going out there. How are you, Ricky?
I feel the hot water.
Allie.
Right here.
Are you cold, Daddy?
Where's that ball? The big ball.
Big balls in the house.
Big ball and what else?
I'm rotating letters. They get warm right there.
Yeah, there's one right here. You're right.
Dad. Yeah, that's what cup holders are for. We have lots of cup holders. First, in my pool, there's lots of grass. Oh! Sister!
I'm fine. Say I'm
Come
fine.
on, Jess.
You okay?
Went right on there.
Up and hug me,
Are you
girl.
okay?
You get wet. You told me, you big bully.
Yeah, now you better go under, Jess. Robert, go get her.
Robert, don't knock your sister over.
Daddy's gonna have to get in the pool.
What are you telling me
Let's get a
for?
picture of Melissa after her sister just dumped her in the
Is
pool.
it getting warm down there? Jess?
see those are like 2 names. You can see in the
I will
cheek
rotate.
tail.
Okay, rotate the water again.
Circulate.
Circulate the water.
Alyssa. Alyssa.
I watch. Ah, don't touch my back.
Alyssa.
Okay, I can get Mr. Winky in now.
Oh, God. Poor Daddy. I see a bird about it.
There we go.
Try to burn me with water.
Okay, enough water. Enough water.
Wait till Jess round too.
She has permission for her to use.
Get out of the corner.
She has to watch the little.
That's right.
She's got permission to.
That's the only bad thing with this pool. You can't fill it.
She's plastic.
Jesus, Alyssa, don't you want to spend quality time with your brother?
I don't think.
Look. No, I am circulating water, and that's all.
Well, I'm circulating.
No, I'm circulating it, and I cannot get any water out.
Where's the one fixed up the
Ricky.
Let the pusher
What are you doing? Here's what cracked me in your garden, didn't he?
You better.
It's warmer over here. Your brother's been hiding. I've been circulating it, thank you very much, to get it warm. Hey, any of you that have bubble wet, you may
Daddy, get Allie because she's getting jealous over here. Daddy, get Allie.
Allie.
She's trying to take the baby off.
No, don't be crazy.
No, she's trying to take the baby off of Ricky.
You guys!
You're going to get wet anyway.
Oh, exactly!
I wish I could think so.
You guys got her wet. Evil people. That's cruel. I circulate. You guys will have to.
Get off that window. You're not coming in, and the dog ain't coming in either.
Hush. Ricky, you be careful.
Yeah, it gets cold down here. We need it down here now.
Put them there now.
Alright, and I circulate. Whoosh. That feels good. Wait, where's my bubble?
Pay attention to your baby so she don't get drowned by her brother. Hello, my two antisocial children. You, because you stayed on the internet until... What time did you get on the internet, Atlanta? Midnight? What time? So you've been on it since 4 o'clock this morning? Those are comfortable, aren't they? I might have to get me a set like that. That's cool. What are you doing?
What does this say? Maximum water level.
Hello, little ferrets.
Here it is. Look at that side. Look at that side.
Look at Ellie. Can you lick it?
Look at Allie.
Throw them out of here.
How about the
Allie,
metal?
the brush over there is made out of aluminum. It'll work a little better.
Could
It might even bend around his head if you hit him hard enough.
Could you come with me to the grill?
Here.
Really
Now
fast?
we get the
Can you come
name
with
brand
me
on
to the
camera.
pool?
How will we get some sponsorship here?
No, can I have the hose to go with that?
Allie licking herself off the front of the bottle.
How about torture with my Karen? Then watching the first thing I'm saying.
Hello, Cody.
It would still work.
Hello. Hi, Cody.
Daddy, Mommy's gonna go make margaritas. Can you have me?
Oh, I just have a broomstick on your breath.
Margarita. Magical word.
Cody, take your sister and sit on the blanket.
Honey, I really don't want to go back in it right now.
Remember when there was in the house?
Should be safe before you know it.
Sorry. Not Russell.
Allie, no, not right now.
I'll go in with her.
Okay.
I thought you were gonna go sit with Alyssa.
Now, here you go, Allie. Ricky, you are not
auction.
Alligator.
eBay.
Hi.
eBay.
What you doing down
That
there?
could be your answer to everything. eBay.
Don't
Where'd you learn how to
fall.
make bombs? eBay.
You fell on your butt?
Where'd you learn how to...
Out that window, cat, if you're not coming in.